March 13th, 2016. Here's a good principle I think the mathematicians and astronomers have completely glossed over the more reasonable facts of nature. And I use the word adoption because, well, when you make friends in life, you basically adopt them and they're not actually related to you. So, friends are the family you choose. Anyways, I put adoption there because that's what the solar system is. They're all adopted objects. The sun adopted all of them. A new principle of celestial mechanics is presented to clarify the star sciences according to stellar metamorphosis. I have here, stars adopt other stars as they evolve together once stable orbits are achieved. So you have a bright, young, hot star wandering the galaxy, and on its way it picks up other objects. And these objects just stay in orbit around it as it moves around the galaxy. That's what happened with the sun. The sun adopted other solar systems. That's what Jupiter and Saturn are, and Uranus and Neptune. There are other solar systems. But they're much more evolved solar systems, and the orbits are a lot closer. But that's what the sun did. It adopted the other ones. And I have here, this means that all star systems are adoptive systems. They are all singular in their formation, meaning a star is born by itself, but wander the galaxy adopting other objects forming systems. It can adopt other older objects. Basically, it goes from chaotic stars wandering the galaxy to stable systems after they adopt each other, or other objects. Order arises from chaos in this manner. As well, it means our own solar system is comprised of objects that all came from somewhere else in the galaxy, or even other galaxies. Therefore, we are dealing with an entirely different worldview of what we've been studying. These objects are much grander in scale in both time and space than what 20th century astronomers could imagine. Remember, 20th century astronomers, they thought the galaxy, the Milky Way galaxy, was the entire universe. Before Hubble came onto the picture, before Humason started taking a lot of the pictures, which he's uncredited for, astronomers thought the Milky Way was the entire universe. So when they drew up the protoplanetary disk ideas, so Swardenberg and Kant and all them guys, they were actually looking at entire galaxies. That when they were looking at those nebular clouds off in the distance, they thought they were new solar systems. But they weren't. Those were entire galaxies. Yet they didn't believe that because, well, it was just too incredible for them to understand. But they were drawing up stellar evolution lines inside of a mindset that was completely outdated, and we just never pulled out of it. Anyways, I think I made this long enough. Hopefully you guys understand.